Good morning, students. So this is your chapter 2 for 12th standard, which is current electricity. The chapter enhances like resistors in series and parallel. So in your first lesson you have studied capacitors in series and parallel. Here also you will study resistors in series and parallel. Their answers will be quite opposite because their concept is also quite opposite. Their capacitance says the charges that any material can allow to pass through. But resistor says the number of electrons or what's the amount of resistance which is offered, which will stop the flow of electron. So here I am going to consider R1, R2 and R3 be the three resistors connected in series, and let V be the potential applied, and the current I is the same throughout the circuit where there is no change in the current. Let V1, V2 and V3 be the potential difference across the resistors will vary because V is equal to IR. So when R changes, either current or potential should change. Here current is going to be the same, so naturally the potential would have changed. So from the Ohm's law I can write V1 will be equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3, and when I am going to find out the effective resistance when they are connected in series, Vs will be equal to IR3. So the total potential will be equal to summation of all the potential, and in the place of all the potentials I am going to equate all the things that I have found out. So it will become IRS will be equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3, where I and I will get cancelled. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So now I need to write, this is an expression that I have found. I need to write this in the statement. When resistances are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is the sum of the individual resistors. When you add all the individual resistors, you get the equivalent resistance when they are connected in series. So this value Rs will be greater than the individual resistances. This is the conclusion of it.